Hello there, Jonathan Harris from COHO, and today I'm going to be showing you what raising a draft AST may look like from a tenant's perspective. The video previously focused on, adding an AST and viewing a draft copy, but now we're going to look at what it may look like for one of your tenants who's going to be the recipient of that draft AST and the process they need to go through to approve that as part of paying their holding fees. So we're going to start with a new onboarding. So if you click the onboarding button here and start a new application. What we'll do is we'll select a property and select a room. I'm going to give them a name. And then I'm just going to use an email address that allows me to access that account. We're going to start the tenancy date today and give it a 6-month term. £500 per month. We're going to say no deposit. A guarantor is required. Bills are included. We're going to ask for a holding fee as well, which will be a proportion of their first month's rent. We'll be using previously uploaded payment instructions. We'll give them the payment reference Robbie. We will include additional terms additional deadline for agreement terms. And we'll also indicate here, which is key, a draft copy of the tenancy agreement to be included. And we'll pick one we uploaded earlier. An application form will also be included. And again, we will select a previously used one. We're not going to carry out referencing for now, and we're going to hit submit. Now what happens is the tenant that you've started this onboarding for will receive an email and a text message inviting them to set up an account within COHO and view their draft AST, as well as instructions on how to pay that holding fee. So what I'll now do is I'll now switch over to a tenant's account and show you what that looks like. So what happens is the tenant will get this email and text message and be taken through to this page. What I'll now do is I'll now pretend that I'm the tenant and use the email address that was used to register me. I'll agree to the terms and I will register. It will then pre-populate this page with my name and my surname. I'm going to give it my birth date. I'm male. I won't include a picture and I'll hit continue. What I'll then do is I'll indicate whether I'm a professional or student and I work in agricultural tech. And I'll continue there. I'm interested in arts and crafts, food and games. And again, I'll click continue and hit submit. What we'll now see is we'll see the onboarding for my room. I've got two options, and the first is most important for this video. We have the opportunity to reserve the room by paying the holding fee. So we'll click through to pay holding fee, and you'll see here the draft copy of the tenancy agreement. So this will include the full tenancy agreement, but with just generic merge tags that you've used. So it will give all the details of the agreement, and they have to agree that they're happy with this before they're physically allowed to pay their holding fee. So I can click confirm payment. It gives me this warning. But as soon as I've clicked those two items, I'll click confirm payment and that will be done. So you'll see that it's very simple for them to view the agreement. It's very simple for you to raise the agreement for them to see. And it just means that that process is all managed now under the onboarding flow. So do give it a go. As always, if there's any questions, just reach out to myself or the team here at COHO. But for now, take care and speak soon.